Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
If your stand mixer buzzes but won't run, first unplug it and ensure the bowl and attachments are securely locked. The motor may hum if it senses a jam. Try gently tapping the base or moving the attachment up and down to free any stuck gears. Always unplug before attempting these steps. These quick fixes often solve buzzing issues without opening your mixer.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.